Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you the best free screen recording softwares with no watermark 2026 a beginner's guide. Alright guys, so you actually need a free screen recorder without watermarks or having to go through the stress of removing those watermarks. What are the free applications or softwares you can use? We have the number one being OBS Studios. It's one of the best. You can even use it for streaming. That is the craziest part. All you need to do is just download OBS Studios from obsprojects.com. Just go ahead and click on download OBS Studios and you shouldn't have any issues. So it's one of the best overall free screen recorders. No watermarks, no limits, full screen, your window or game capture. So you can capture only what you want to capture. That is how crazy OBS Studios is. It can help you capture only what you need to capture, nothing else, nothing more. It's also good with recording your webcam and your mic. So if you have a good webcam, you can enable it while you're gaming or whatever you're doing with your camera, as well as your mic showing up on the OBS system. It would be there. You can tweak the volume, you could reduce the decibels, you can do a ton of stuff. And then the best part is it is free and open source, so you can actually modify it. All right, so it's perfect for tutorials, it's perfect for live streams, professional videos. It can be used for a variety of things, even streaming on TikTok. Yes, you can actually connect it to TikTok, you can connect it to Twitch, you can connect it to YouTube, any platform that has, a software key or a kind of social media key that you can put in to OBS, you can use it to record. Now, the next tool or software we have is Capturer. So Capturer is a simple Windows recorder. It's lightweight with no watermarks. It does the job, it gets the job done. You can have your video saved in 60 frames per second, 1080p, 2K. You can even go up to 4K, but I am not certain. Capturer is a net application to capture the screen along with audio from your microphone and speaker and keystrokes. So let's go ahead and check more of this out. But you can simply download Capturer and simply make use of it. We also have Metal, which is a simple PC screen recorder. It's good for recording softwares. Just simply press a hotkey to record an instant gameplay clip, trim it, edit it, and share it in one click. So that's basically what they are offering. Now, other than that, I do have to mention there is an integrated screen recorder in most Windows computers, and that would be the lovely Windows or Xbox game bar. So if you want to enable the game bar, just click on the Windows key and G. So once you've done that, you can see your screen will go a bit dark and then the interface will pop out where you can even listen to music while you're gaming. You could record or capture your screen. You could record your screen here. You could disable your mic. You could take a picture or a screenshot. You can also check your performance of your computer, like the CPU performance, the GPU, the virtual RAM, the frames per second that you're getting. The CPU is actually clocked at 97%, so I'm gonna have to turn this off. But basically, this is what it does. This is how you can simply enjoy it. You can also enable a click-through feature. So, and if you head into settings, you can turn off compact mode. You could check your network, your Bluetooth, and then in more settings, we have a bit more like personalization, gaming features, and a lot more. All right, so that's basically the Xbox Game Bar. It is a basic screen recording tool, but it's quite good. Now the next one is Screen Rec. So Screen Rec is one of the least talked about softwares when it comes to recording. It lets you record and share video messages and annotated screenshots fast, so you can clearly show what's on your screen to teammates or artificial intelligence. So that is quite a claim. You could simply make use of their free screen recorder. It's quite clean and you're getting instant recording, auto cloud uploads, shareable links, as well as perfect or good feedback on your videos. It's good for team collaborations. So let's say you have a meeting and you just want to simply record something real quick and share to your boss or whatever. You can use Screen Rec for that purpose. It just needs the extra emails and the rest to get it set up, I believe. All right, so the next software we are looking at is ShareX. So ShareX is one of the best and free open source screenshot tools. It said it's a screenshot tool for Windows. It's a free and open source program that lets you capture or record any area of your screen and share it with a single press of a key. Wow. You can get this by just typing in ShareX and clicking on the page, and it opens up. While Captura is right here, it's a net application to capture. It's available for Windows 8.6 rating, and if you scroll a bit more, you can see the size and whatnot. All right, so those are the ones that I have opened up here, but you do have one which is less mentioned, Camtasia. It's a really good platform. It lets you save your recordings. Your computer can shut off and your recording is automatically saved. As far as the recording is going on, it's being saved and backlogged in your computer, and you can simply retrieve it at any point in time without having to start over a recording. All right, guys. So that's it. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.